Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to delete your league in FC Mobile. Whether you want to start fresh, disband an active league, or manage your teams more effectively, deleting a league is permanent. Make sure it is what you want, and before proceeding, make sure that you really want to do this. First of all, launch open FC Mobile game on your device and log in with the account that owns the league you want to delete. Once you're inside the welcome screen of the game, tap on Leagues at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to open up your league menu. From your league menu, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left corner. This will open up the league settings. From the league settings, tap on Disband the league. In the pop-up, you need to confirm. If you leave your league will be disbanded. So, if you want to do that, click on confirm, click confirm once again, and you will then be able to delete the league. Once deleted, all members will lose access and cannot recover the league. And that's how you successfully learn how you can delete your league in FC Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.